लो झोले भर लो तेले 20-20 रुपए में दिया कोई
इसको बोल देना बोला कुछ.
Hi guys, it's Neelav and welcome to my channel. Today I'm really very excited to share my Sarojini Nagar haul with you guys. It's the first time that I've been there on Mondays because I heard on Mondays you can get clothes as cheap as 10 rupees, but I haven't got any clothes for less than 25 rupees. But I'm really very happy with all the clothes that I've got. So let me share my haul with you guys. To start with the one I am wearing, it is beautiful jumpsuit. I had to wear something underneath it due to the kind of design it has. But what appeals me most about this outfit is its sleeves. It has pockets and the loose fit which is giving it a trendy look overall. This belt is not with the outfit and it cost me just rupees 25. In the intro, you can see vendors are selling on stalls 4 pieces for just rupees 100 or 3 pieces for just rupees 100, so it is one of them. And it is from Zara brand. Looks like the original one. You really need to get your hands dirty to find few fabulous pieces. In this haul, you will see lot of denim pieces which will prove I am a huge fan of denims. This cute dress cost me just rupees 33. This sleek belt is not with the outfit and due to the deep neckline and armholes, I had to wear it with an inner. Though I can alter it anytime, but I'm liking it this way. It has side loops for sleek belt and it has pockets as well, which is so cool. Next is this button-up shirt with the option of making knot in front. It has kaftan sleeves, again with a denim look. I got the skirt and the top for 33 rupees each. The skirt is made of linen fabric. After washing, I cannot see a single dirt or a spot on it and looks very decent. I love this tube top. The color is so vibrant and the elasticity is also intact. It cost me rupees 33 only. The most wonderful thing about this is its texture. It has a smoking texture and guess what? It is from Guess brand. Very comfortable to wear and it doesn't have any side seam, which is lovely. I bought this amazing white pencil skirt for just rupees 33. I am loving it. Fits perfectly. Together they look like a color blocked bodycon dress. I am generally not very fond of wrap tops or dresses, but this one caught my eyes and I could not resist myself from buying it for just rupees 33. And this looks perfect with the fitted skirt. Whatever I have bought in this haul, I have checked thoroughly each piece before buying because most of the time you will see some or the other defect which you tend to miss when you buy in exuberance. So do take care of this when you buy from Sarojini Nagar. This off-shoulder top is quite long for my expectation, though I can pair it with any jeans or pant as is, but to wear it with a skirt or to look more stylish, I like to wear it like this. I tucked it under my bra to secure it from falling and now it is looking so much better. I got this top for 25 and this skater skirt for 33 rupees only. I'm so proud to be the owner of these outfits. I mean, what you can get for 33 or 25 rupees, yeah. Even a Dairy Milk silk chocolate costs you double the amount I spent on one item. I could not believe myself when I saw this smart casual blazer in the pile of clothes. The instant I got my hands on it, I grabbed it. I got it just for rupees 30. Can you believe that? This long shrug also cost me rupees 30. Its fabric is so soft and has pockets. Looks stylish when I paired it nicely with other pieces. Oh my god, you cannot beat this one. I got this dress for rupees 25 only. And it is from Cooves. Looks 100% original and without a single defect. It has an attached belt to tie it on one side, and on the other side you can see these detailings. There is so much going on this dress, which is unbelievable to get in just rupees 25. It is backless as well. Every detail of this dress is apt for a glamorous look. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Insta account, and be mindful of the fact that it is pandemic time. So whatever you buy from any market, do wash them and clean them before wearing it. So yes, till then, stay connected, spread love. Sayonara.